Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Saturday. It's August the 18th, 2012. Today's actual stock alert will be on Southern Company, ticker symbols SO. It's a utility. And I'm looking at this one for Monday. So if you guys are out there looking for something to trade, this is something you may want to be looking at. Southern Company is in an uptrend right here. You can see that you had this little support going on for a while. Nice breakout here. Consolidation period, about 50% retracement there, and then you start to move to the upside again. And you'll notice in this case here, look at the close. The high close here is actually higher than you had over here, and that tells you you're still in an uptrend. You are able to break through, then you've pulled back down again, and this is your previous support where you found support before and bounced off of that, and now you've pulled back roughly to that area. So this is interesting to me. We also have a hammer candlestick formation, which we tend to find in actual bottom situations. What I want to do here is I've marked it with a black arrow indicating that if the following day gives you a higher high than today's candlestick formation, or I should say Friday's candlestick formation, if you actually get higher than 46.22, even by 1 penny, 46.23, that would be a buy signal with the stop set off of the low. Low is 45.90, so 1 cent below that would be your stop loss limit, 45.89. That's how I would be trading that. A couple other things to point out here, at least one. Let me clean this up again. If you look at the ultimate oscillator up here, you can see that whenever you fall down here below the 30 line, that's where you start getting below in the oversold condition, and that's what we're having right now. Again, if you get up below the 70 line, you start to get into the overbought territory. You get there this, and you get a pullback here, same thing. So now that we're looking at oversold conditions, there's something else that you should be taking note of, and this is a bullish condition here. You'll notice that this low point here is actually lower than this low point here. It's starting to trend up right here. The corresponding time period on the chart, you can see that you have a low close here, and then the current one is actually a lower one that we have now. So you're trending down here in price activity, but up in the ultimate oscillator, showing momentum to the upside here. That means that this extra sell-off right here is unsustainable. You're going to get a bounce to the upside. That adds more weight to the actual logic of a bullish trade here in Southern Company, and that's what I'll be looking at for Monday. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. God bless, take care, and I'll see you on the next trading day. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.